If you're looking to budget your travel expenses efficiently, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use Navan for budgeting travel expenses so that you can stay on top of your financial goals while traveling. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an extended vacation, Navan is designed to help you streamline the entire process. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to make the most of this tool and manage your travel budget like a pro. So why should you keep watching? Well, here's the deal. Most people struggle with staying within their travel budget because expenses can quickly get out of hand. But with Navan, you can get real-time tracking, easy categorization of expenses, and detailed reports all from your mobile device. And in this video, you'll see exactly how to set it up, organize your expenses, and keep everything in check. Let's dive in. First off, when you sign up for Navan, you'll be able to connect all of your accounts, from your credit card to your bank account, so that all your spending data flows into one central location. This means no more toggling between apps and trying to remember what you spent where. Navan does all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. One of the best features of Navan is its ability to automatically categorize your expenses. Whether you're booking flights, paying for hotel stays, or grabbing a meal while exploring a new city, Navan will assign each purchase to the appropriate category. This not only saves you time, but also helps you see exactly where your money is going, so you can adjust your spending habits as needed. Another amazing feature is the budgeting tool. Once you've set your travel budget, Navan will track your progress throughout the trip. You'll get instant updates on how much you've spent and how much you have left to spend. This makes it easy to stay on track and avoid those nasty surprises that can ruin a vacation. Plus, if you're traveling with a group, you can share your budget and track everyone's expenses together, making group trips much less stressful. But that's not all. Navan also offers detailed reports that help you review your expenses after the trip. These reports break down your spending by category and give you insights into where you can cut costs for future trips. This makes it a powerful tool, not just for the current trip, but for planning your finances for future travel as well. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how can I start using Navan today? Well, here's the good news. You can actually get started completely free through the first link below. And not only that, but with our exclusive bonuses, you'll have access to an extended free trial, which means you get to experience all of Navan's features with zero commitment. So, if you're ready to take control of your travel expenses and ensure you stay within your budget, click the link in the description. I promise you'll be glad you did. To recap, with Navan, you get real-time expense tracking, automatic categorization, detailed budgeting tools, and powerful reports, all at your fingertips. And remember, you can get started today for free with our exclusive offer. Don't forget to check out that link and start using Navan for your next trip. Keep your travel expenses in check and make every dollar work harder for you.